Why we general people can't speak in English? Is there any reason? Yes, not so many, but a few reasons are there. So in this video, I will discuss about those reasons which pull us back from speaking English, and at the end, I will give you the fast and easiest step you can take towards your learning English. So this video will be very helpful for you. Don't skip this video. I'm Kajol, you are watching Be Connected with Kajol. So friends, we all are Indians, right? In India, there are 22 official languages and 200 and more than semi-official languages. But the irony is, we all just want to learn that particular English language. No one wants to learn Telugu, no one wants to learn Marathi, no one wants to learn Odia. But we all just want to learn that particular English language. Not only we Indians, but the whole world also want to learn English. Why? Do you know why? Because this language has its own potentiality. This is the international language. So we have to learn this. But the problem is, we learn it as a subject, not as a language. From the childhood period, we started learning grammar. We studied novel, drama, poem. But when we started speaking in English, we also started thinking that is it correct sentence or not, or else I will be insulted. So at that time, I stopped talking in English. So this is the problem. Just think once how a baby starts speaking his mother tongue, because no one is born with the speaking capacity. The speaking capacity gradually grows. But at that time, he doesn't even learn grammar. So how he starts speaking his mother tongue? He always listens every day from his parents, from his siblings, from his neighbors. He always listens. By listening every day, he started speaking his mother tongue with a fumbling voice also. Means, mu setiki jaithili, tame etiki asithila. With a fumbling voice, he starts speaking his mother tongue. So this is the first reason. We are accustomed with our mother tongue from the very childhood period, not with English language. No one talk with us in English. No, even our parents, even nobody talk with us in English language. We always listen our mother tongue, but we never listen English language. So this is the first reason, being not accustomed. Ame obhyasta nuhe English sunibare. We are not accustomed with English language. Then secondly, when we turned to 8 or 9 years old, we started learning grammar in the school. Our teacher always forced us to learn grammar, but he didn't force us to speak in English. All teachers speak with us in Odia language, in our mother tongue. When we turned to 10 or 12 years old, we started watching Hindi serials. As you all know, all girls are fond of Hindi serials and all boys are fond of Hindi films. But at that time, no one encouraged us. One thing I wonder, a teacher is the guide of the civilization. Even they didn't encourage us to watch English serial, because at that time we are in our teenage period. We can't understand the importance of English, but at that time they should encourage us to watch English serial. If you want to watch serial, then it's okay, but don't watch Hindi serials, watch English serial. So by listening English language every day, you can improve your English speaking capacity. Nobody encouraged us at that time. Even at our school, nobody speak with us in English language. So this is the lack of practice. So this is the second reason, lack of practicing. We never practiced speaking in English. In the school also, nobody told us to speak in English. Nobody talked with us in English language. So the lack of practicing makes our English so poor, because we all know how to write a sentence, but we don't know how to talk in English, how to express ourselves in English language. So first reason is not being accustomed with English language. Second reason is lack of practicing. Then third reason, fear, because we all learn grammar. We all learn how to write a sentence, which is correct sentence, which is incorrect sentence, how to write an essay. We all know that. But even now, why we can't speak English? It's just the fear of being failure, the fear of being incorrected. So the fear of being get insulted. It's the fear which pulls us back from speaking English. But it's okay. We all have that fear. You have that fear. I have that fear, because now I'm talking in front of the camera. I feel nervous. I'm sweating a lot. So because this is not our mother tongue. This is the foreign language. We learn it. We should learn it as a language, and we can't learn it in one day or in 1 month. We gradually learn it. It may take 6 months, 7 months, or 1 year. But if we switch that, if we keep learning, we never learn it. We have to practice it every day. We have to switch down our fear. So first reason, second reason, those are past. We can't change that. But we can overcome our fear. But how? How to overcome that fear? By practicing. Everyone tells that. When you are alone at home, you may take any topic. You should start speaking that topic in English language. But one thing have you ever think, when you practicing with yourself, you can talk with yourself. But when you go in front of the others, you also start fumbling. Because when you are practicing alone. You are practicing with yourself, not with others. So the solution is, we have to practice with others. We have to speak English with others. So for that, we have to choose some people with whom we feel comfortable, just like our mother, our siblings, our best friend, with whom we feel comfortable. After choosing those type of people, we should surrender ourselves in front of them. We can say, just, Mom, I want to speak in English, but I can't. So can you give me only 5 minutes per day, so that I can speak in English with you? I can share with you my feelings. I can share with you what I do in a day, but in English language. You may understand or not, but try to listen me in English. So by talking with them every day in English language, just only 5 minutes. You just take 20 minutes, 15 minutes for your preparation. You may take any topic, means what you do in a day, about a cow, about a car, about corona. You may take any topic, prepare 15 minutes and beg 5 minutes from your mom. So in that 5 minutes, you have to speak in English. So by spending at least 20 minutes every day and 5 minutes with others, with your closed one, to speak in English, you can improve your English language. Not in one day, you have to practice it every day. So by giving 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes, 15 minutes for your preparation, 5 minutes for talking English in front of others, in front of your mother, in front of your siblings, in front of your friends. By giving only 5 minutes for speaking, you may see the result after 1 month. How you feel comfortable with English language. So this is the most easiest step you can take with your mother. She won't deny you. She won't tell you, I don't have time, because she also wants to see your improvement. She won't deny you. It's your step. You have to take this step. Okay. So guys, with this, I want to end this video. If you like this video, if you feel this video informative, do like and share this video. If you're new at this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel.